Hello everyone, this is Cody from basecamptrading.com. Just want to make a quick video here to show you guys a setup I'm watching in MSTR. This is on the weekly chart. We are looking at a potential bear flag for next week. So if we make a lower low next week, we'll trigger the weekly bear flag within the context of kind of the weekly downtrend we've had. And then we're going to retest the potentially 100 level down here where we bounced off from earlier. So that's what I'm watching for next week in MSTR. We already have a position in it, but I'm looking to see from a further downside and then see what it does at the 101 level, roughly 101.96. But that's the market I'm watching, and thank you. Have a nice day.